Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gavin Canfield and I'm from northeastern Pennsylvania, and on this channel you'll find videos that demonstrate my passion for using and fixing up heavy equipment from the past and the present. You'll see videos of me doing general property maintenance around my new land that I purchased, down to jobs that I do for other people on the weekends. I plan to post videos every 2 to 3 weeks, and I look for your engagement as feedback so I can continually to make these videos better and grow with you guys. So if you want to see more of this content, please hit the subscribe button, like, and leave some comments behind so this way I can continue to make this content better.